Okay, I got the different colored balls that were suggested. I went with a heavy-duty wiffle because these can be rolled away to see how far a child can track. But the other thing is you can thread streamers, like mylar streamers or sparkly things through those holes if you need to add some more to them. Or as kids progress through the CVI stages, you can add different colored ribbons through the holes. I also got a whole bunch of streamers from the dollar store. It being Wisconsin, we don't have yellow or green available until the next shipment comes in, but my daughter works for the dollar store, so I'll be adding those as soon as they do come in. Also got a whole bunch of these beads and then zip tied them together just to form a big old dangle that you can use a flashlight on if needed be to help with that.